The Emerson Quiet Cool portable air conditioner has the latest technology available today. The models range from 8,000 to 14,000 BTU. The product is with casters that allow easy movement to any space that needs cooling. It is designed to be easily installed. Just set up window slider kit, install the easy-to-attach exhaust hose, and connect it to a window slider. Plug in and enjoy the cooling breeze. It is with waterproof digital control panel. No worry of splashed water. Use a dry cloth to wipe and remove. It has cool, dehumidify, and fan modes. Select the right temperature and airflow to suit your comfort. 24-hour timer let you create a cooling schedule. Set it to turn on or off automatically based on your needs. It also comes with remote control. You can adjust fan speed, temperature, and timer from across the room. The air louver affords a wider range to deliver comfort. With Eco Mode, the unit operates environmentally friendly and helps you save energy bills. With Sleeping Mode, the unit functions quietly, delivering you a perfect sleeping night. After 250 hours of operation, the unit will remind you to clean the filter. It is easy to access and clean the filter. Emerson Quiet Cool provides you with comfort, efficiency, and reliability.
To use the convenient smart features on your LG portable air conditioner, connect it to your smartphone. Search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select Air Conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to Step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG portable air conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG portable air conditioner.
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions: the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.